Hi, this is Pawan Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today we will discuss about how to revolve in surface modeling. First of all, open NX software, then go to new. Then go to model tab, then click on model, then click on OK. After that, go to menu, go to preference, go to modeling, click, go to general and go to body type and choose sheet. Sheet means surfacing. Then click on OK. Now click on sketch. And click on any plane where you want to work. Then click on OK. Now go to profile and draw sketch. Press escape or scroll for exit from command. Click on dimension, rapid dimension or fill there. Rapid. First click, then second click and third click for positioning. Click close. If you want to edit, just double click and fill the value. Suppose 50. If you want to scale, then click yes. If not, then click no. Now this is sketch. Then click on finish for exit from command. Go to revolve there or go to menu, insert, go to design feature, go to revolve. Now go to section. Section means this sketch. Go to there. This is filter. If you want to select only one curve, then choose this. If you want to use connected curve, then all connected curve will select. If you want to choose only tangent curve, then choose this. This is the option. Suppose I choose this and click on any line, all sketch will select. Now go to axis, click on there, left click, specify vector. Vector means axis. Click on their z axis or y axis. This sketch will revolve on both axes. If you want to choose from there, then go to there and choose there z minus or z plus, no problem. Now go to there, specify point, go to there and click on there and go to this point and choose this. This is the sketch. Go to setting. This is sheet. This is open. If I choose from y, minus y or positive y, no problem. Now shape will revolve along this axis and the 3D will there. But correct position is Z. Now there, this is sketch, then click on OK. This is revolve command. If you want to edit, right click on revolve and go to edit with rollback. If you click on fill there angle, suppose 180, this is half section. You can fill there also, suppose 90, it will reduce. You can fill also minus 90. First I click there and click on show sketch. Minus 90 means, 90 means there only it will reduce the surface. Now click on undo result. Now click there and fill minus 90 and this is 90, add. This is a 90. If you fill there 0, it will like this. If I fill there 360, it will close. Now one thing more, what is the importance of point? Right click on revolve, go to edit with rollback, go to specify point, go to there, click on there. Suppose I click on this point, it will revolve along this point. The distance will vary and its shape. You can control from there also. Click on point dialog. You can fill also there. Suppose in x-axis I fill 100. Now this distance is 100. In this axis 100. This is y-axis. Y-axis there, if you remove minus symbol, now it will move on this point. There minus, this is the axis. Then click on OK. If you click on there and fill 0, 0, then it will like this. You can edit at any time. Now Next, right click on sketch and go to hide. If you want to close, just go to there, go to menu, go to insert, go to surface, go to bounded plane and click on this surface, sorry, edge, then click on OK. Now it will close, but this body is different than this surface. If you want to join, then go to menu, go to insert, go to combine, go to CU. Target, tool, first click, then second click, then click OK. Now this body is single. This body is single. If you want to click on edge blend, and fill there, suppose 20, then click OK. This will be only perform if CU command is in used. Now next, if you want to thicken, now this body has no weight, just this is only surface. So for thicken, go to menu, go to insert, go to offset scale and go to thicken. When your sketch convert into 3D, then use this command. Click on any surface and fill their data. You can fill also there, then click on OK. Now one thing more, its color will change when you use thicken command. Now this body is not surface body, this is solid body. If you want to check, just click on, press Ctrl H. This is the thickness. This color is show, this it is the solid body. Click on cancel. If you click by mistake OK, don't worry, go to menu, go to view, go to section, go to clip section. If you learn from this video, then please like, share, comment on this video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.